We'd like to do a song that was written by Uncle Alfred, Auntie Lizzie Alohikia and Uncle Alfred Alohikia. And her name was Auntie Lizzie Borden, Doran, that actually sang with the Royal Hawaiian Band, and she had written this song along with him all the way from Honolulu Bay, Kauai. And it is my pleasure to play this song for the ladies of Kamailelauli. Beautiful ladies of Kamailelauli. Mahalo, brother.